I live in Gurgaon and I'm an ESL teacher and a teacher trainer. I was initiated in June 2015. First time I met Master, it was, like I always say there are two fathers, one that gives you, your biological father who gives you birth, and he's the father who actually brought me home.
I felt an instant connection with the Master when I was at the retreat. From then on, lots of things started changing. I just felt that I was home, or maybe this is what I was looking for. That's making me go back to it again and again.
Things have started moving much faster. Things that were latent have started coming up. In my personality, things that I probably overlooked have come up. Also, problems that I was facing but probably didn't know how to deal with it, they've come to surface. And I have been probably forced to deal with it.
Tremendous changes in my life. It has been too fast. Too fast in the sense not outside, not for the people outside, but for me inside. I've sort of started discovering myself, or I've started encountering myself more. And at times I felt it is very scary for me.
First day settling down, and then I get into the mode of practicing, and whatever questions I have, then I have time to meet Master also. I think in a short retreat everything will be very rushed, so this definitely has more power and an impact lasts longer. So once I go home, the impact is much longer. I'm very happy because incidentally this is my first trip to Goa. I've always wanted to come to Goa, and what could be better than having my Master in a location that I always wanted to come to. So I've been blessed that Master chose this location, and it's a very beautiful location. This also gives people an opportunity to see Goa in a different light rather than just about parties. Goa can also be about meditation.
I think it's a remarkable progression that's happened. Now that we have done at least the first 6 kriyas, and we are doing them, my own belief is that we do it 4 times, right? In the morning we do it for 45 minutes, then we do for an hour, then for half an hour, then for 1 hour. The also might benefit that, for example, once you have done a 6-day course, you just want a quick refresher or a long weekend or something like that. If that is available, I think there's nothing like it.
I'm loving it for the fact that there's a lot of things out there that, the way people teach things, you can overanalyze things and try and understand them from the mind, but you don't really get to experience it. It's more, you just understand it as a concept, but you don't understand it from the inside. And I love the way that the Master teaches and keeps it very simple. I like it because it feels like we've been on a holiday as well. It feels like we have time to meditate, and then we have lots of time in between, so we can read a book, or we can go out and explore the places close by. And
this Master is very spontaneous, and I always felt that he tells you what you really need to hear. So when the retreats are longer, the longer gaps, actually, whatever he speaks about, I think I'm able to internalize a lot more. And there's no hurry from inside. And that kind of slowness, it's completely, even the outside, when you know that you have these many days, I think it slows you down from inside. So that's very important for me. So I think I would really prefer to go for a longer retreat, and even longer.
There's always been the search within me, always. And I've done other things. So this Yogananda book I've read, autobiography, and then I read another one, God Talks to Arjuna, where he stresses very often that you must do Kriya Yoga.
Which is this?
This is my 4th retreat.
Fourth retreat. So every time you want to come back?
I feel that I do gain. If I'm with the Masters, it's more helpful, and the longer retreat is good. And then they take you to different levels also.
To do my 2nd retreat in spite of so many odds. It happened in Bangalore. On the day when I was last saying goodbye to Master, I remember him just looking at me and telling, come back, come to Goa. So that was maybe just that word of come to Goa from the Master.